Today we are going to learn about Faith Ringgold. Faith Ringgold was an American artist who was born on October 8, 1930, in Harlem, New York. As a child, she loved creating art at home with her family. Her mother was a fashion designer and her father was a storyteller, so Faith learned about art and stories from an early age. This inspired her to combine her love of art and storytelling to create beautiful and meaningful artwork. As she grew into adulthood, Faith had many challenges. At that time, many people did not believe that women, especially African American women, could become successful artists. But Faith was very determined and never let these challenges stop her from pursuing her dreams. Faith studied art at the City College of New York, where she earned her bachelor's degree and master's degree. During this time, she was introduced to different styles of painting, which made a huge impact on her work. She started creating paintings to tell stories about her experiences as an African American woman. Her art style drew from folk art, pop art, and modern art. In the 1960s and 1970s, Faith started to become more well-known because of her unique style of art. She used fabric to make beautiful, vibrant, quilted paintings. She was inspired by the tradition of quilt making from her African ancestry and wanted to continue this tradition in her own artwork. Her quilt paintings have stories stitched on them, bringing together a unique blend of art and storytelling. One of her most famous works of art is a story quilt that she created in 1988 called Tar Beach. This quilt tells the story of an 8-year-old girl, Cassie Louise Lightfoot, who dreams of flying over the rooftops of Harlem. She wants to be free to go wherever she wants for the rest of her life. One night up on Tar Beach, which is the rooftop of her family's apartment building, her dream comes true. This story is inspired by Ringgold's own life, as she recalled the time she spent on the rooftop of her home with her family while she was growing up. This colorful Tar Beach quilt is now displayed in the Guggenheim Museum in New York City, where everyone can see and appreciate it. Faith not only painted, but she also wrote books. She wrote and illustrated several children's books, including Tar Beach and Aunt Harriet's Underground Railroad in the Sky. These books featured African American characters and help children understand and appreciate African American culture and history. Faith Ringgold won many awards for her work. For her outstanding contributions to art and literature, she received more than 80 awards, including the Solomon R. Guggenheim Fellowship for Painting and the Coretta Scott King Award for Illustration. Let's take a moment to view some examples of Faith Ringgold's work. Notice the bright colors, the simple lines, and the shapes that she used in her stunning creations. Faith Ringgold died on April 12, 2024, at the age of 93. She was a strong, brave, and talented artist who used her art to tell stories about her life and the importance of equality and justice. She showed the world that no matter who you are or where you come from, you can be successful if you work hard and believe in yourself. Although Faith is no longer with us, her life and work continue to inspire many young artists around the world. We can feel grateful to Faith Ringgold for giving us a beautiful collection of art and stories that will live on forever.